Hi guys. My brother is playing Subway Surfers. It's Rio Edition, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just watch. We don't know how to put it close. Or you could do it like this.
I guess I could see
Okay, one round.
I could see the tablet and I could watch.
Okay, you guys are getting it close. Lower it down, okay, Aaron?
What?
I'm just gonna pause the video and put it back on in the meanwhile, okay? It's done. Now let's do this.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, a little volume.
I thought I put it. This is bad. Really bad.
Oh my.
You caught
Do
me.
you know how to play this?
Yeah. I just forget sometimes.
A little volume.
It's on full.
You hear volume?
Oh yeah, I forgot. On Subway Surfers, there's no volume for me.
Oh, maybe something. Oh yeah, I know. Oh, wait. Pause the video. Put that on. Okay, play.
Okay.
Okay. We got Jake. Okay.
Oh, that was a hard jump. This time I have to make it. I'm looking at the coin.
Adam is downstairs, eating some food as always, right?
Yeah, he's hungry sometimes.
He likes to eat Oreo. He's with Mommy playing peekaboo. I should go down.
Score.
Comment down below. What's your favorite game?
Want me to play Roblox, Sonic Dash, Subway Surfers, Crafting?
Or Minion Rush if
Yeah.
we can play it on your tablet if you want.
Or maybe I could film a video on your tablet because you have Minion Rush.
Oh yeah. Maybe keep a lookout on that.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
The ad.
Until ads. Don't let them watch the ad.
Oh, you boarded that sausage run. Just gonna pause it. Maybe you could skip.
I skipped it.
Okay, he skipped the
Ow.
ad.
Ooh. I make no sense.
We should add music to this.
No.
No worry, I got it when I'm editing. You guys must be hearing music right now. Maybe it ended. Who knows what music I put? Leave a comment below what music I put
And don't
in.
forget to leave a thumbs up.
And subscribe. Bye,
And
guys.
turn on notifications. Wait, I think now we could play a game.
Oh, we could play Roblox? That will be part 2. Oh no.
I have to update it.